A vertical sag parabolic curve is to connect a negative 2% grade to a positive 3% grade. The change in grade per meter station must be 0.2%. The PT of the curve is at station 25 plus 300 and elevation 22.22 meters. What is the elevation of the PC of the curve? Okay, kung mapapansin nyo, nakalagay naman na dito, sag parabolic curve tayo, and wala namang nakalagay kung unsymmetrical or symmetrical. So always, kapag hindi in-indicate, always ang assumption natin that is symmetrical. Okay, so meron tayong curve, grade sa ating back tangent na negative 2 and forward tangent na grade na positive 3. So this is our grade 1. This is our grade 2. This is our curve. Okay. Then, our PT of the curve. So ito yung PT natin. Meron tayong station na 25 plus 300 and elevation of 22.22 meters. We are required to determine the elevation of our PC. So this is still our PI. This is still our PC. Okay, to determine our elevation of PC, pwede nating, di ba magmumula tayo sa PT, pwede nating i-minus ito mula dito, and that is designated, tawagin natin as H2. Then, kung meron na tayong elevation dito sa PT, i-minus natin tong H2, nandito na tayo sa baba. Then finally, kunin natin yung height mula dito papunta dito, that is designated as H1. Then nandito na tayo sa elevation ni PC. Okay? So that will be our solution. So again, to determine the elevation of PC, that is equivalent to elevation of PT minus H2 plus H1. Nandun na tayo sa PC. Okay. So, paano muna natin makukuha si H2 and H1? Di ba, yung ating slope-intercept form kanina, kung maalala ninyo, kung meron tayong mabubuong triangle na ganito, let's determine first our H1 and H2. Kung meron tayong triangle dito, and ito yung H2 natin, kailangan muna natin yung horizontal distance mula dito. Pero di ba yun ay L over 2? So how can we get the value of L muna? Okay, given yung ating rate of change, ito, given naman dito, the change in grade. So this is our rate of change, and that is given by R. Okay, to solve for L, given yung ating rate of change, ano na yung ating rate of change formula? Ito ko na lang ilagay. Isulat ko na ulit. Elevation of PC, that is equivalent to elevation of PT minus H2 plus H1. But we need to determine first our L, or the length of the curve. Pero given yung rate of change natin, that is equivalent to difference in grade over N yun guys, no? So solve muna natin yung B, or the difference in grade. B is equivalent to the absolute value of grade 1 minus grade 2. Okay? So grade 1 natin, negative 2. Or in decimals, that is negative 0.02. minus yung grade 2 natin, positive, negative 0.03. And therefore, our difference in grade will be equivalent to, that is equivalent to 5% or 0.05. Regardless of the sign na to guys, no, kasi naka-absolute value naman tayo. Okay? So balik tayo dito. Substitute natin yung ating rate of change. We have 0.2%. Or kunin na lang natin yung percent dito guys, no? Or that is 5%. Kasi yung rate of change natin naka-percent. So dapat naka-percent din ito. So yung difference in grade natin, 5%. And yung number of station, we have n. So we can determine the number of station that is equivalent to the number of station we have 5 divided by 0.2, that is equivalent to 25. So we have a total of 25 stations on the curve. So to determine the L, kung meron tayong 25 station dyan, and per station, meron tayong 20 meters, tama ba? So to determine L, i-multiply lang natin yung number of station to 20. Okay? Per station is 20. No? So ilagay ko lang dito. Per station is 20 meters. So we have a total of 25 stations along the curve. So to determine L, 25 stations multiplied by 20 meters, that is equivalent to 500 meters. And finally, we have a value of L. Okay? So we can now use the slope-intercept form dito. So kunin muna natin yung H2. So this is L over 2. This is still L over 2. Okay? Kunin muna natin yung ating H2. So meron tayong mabuong triangle dito. So to determine the H, so H2, that is G2 multiplied by L over 2. Substitute natin yung G2, that is 0.03 multiplied by L. We have 500 over 2. Therefore, our L2 or H2, I should say, H2 will be equivalent to 7.5 meters. Next, to determine H1, that is G1 multiplied by L over 2 pa rin guys, no? Kasi yung base niya ay L over 2 pa rin. So G1, we have 2%. Regardless of the sign na to, no? Kasi ang kailangan natin ay yung vertical lang naman. 0.02. So 500 over 2. Therefore, our H1 will be equivalent now to 5 meters. And finally, pwede na tayong pupunta dito. The elevation of PC is equivalent to elevation of PT. We have 22.22 minus H2, 7.5 plus H1, 5 meters. Therefore, the elevation of PC will now be equivalent to 19.72 meters. And this is now our answer.